Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. I'm Sarah, and today I'm excited because I am partnering with one of my new friends here on YouTube. She has created a series called Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I have been invited to join all the ladies that she has collaborated with to make this amazing series. So what I'm going to work on today is a tiny tidy, declutter a little bit, and we're working on my daughter's art cart. And she loves her art supplies. She'll be embarking on this along with me, and we'll go through all of her art supplies to see what she likes, what she wants to keep, what she's okay with recycling. So not only will the art cart be decluttered and cleaned up a little bit, but we'll also be taking some things out of the house to recycle. If this type of video interests you, leave me a thumbs up. Be sure to check out all the other ladies in this playlist. Everybody has done such a good job of just keeping up with small tidies in our homes and flexing our decluttering muscles and tidying muscles as we go. Thank you so much to Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home for inviting me to come along. Now let's get started. We are going to work on my daughter's art cart here. The backpack belongs to my husband. That's just here because that's where he put it for the weekend. But we are going to declutter some of her art projects and paper and other items that have gotten shoved into this art cart and get it cleaned up a little bit so it's easier for her to use. Okay, so first is this. Let's go through this baggie.
Yeah.
Some of it's like old
Candy.
All right, then we need a pile for keep and a pile for
Right here.
recycle. So this will be recycle, this will be keep, and this will be trash.
Is this trash? Probably trash, right?
Okay, that's fine. Keep,
Yeah.
recycle, trash.
I'm gonna put this on. And
All right.
like the ruler.
Christmas suckers,
Get rid of.
trash.
Those are old. Those are very, very.
Cereal necklace,
Get rid of. That would probably taste
trash.
disgusting.
Probably. I'm gonna dump this. Wait, are you keeping these?
No, get rid of. I don't even make anymore. Okay, get rid of this. Let's do this.
There's a lot.
Yep, a lot.
We'll keep all the stickers.
Yeah, because they're still good.
This one?
Get rid of.
Okay,
Mine's still
so
working.
recycle.
Keep this. Actually, no, get rid of.
Recycle?
Yes. Recycle. Keep. Actually, no, recycle.
Well.
Get rid of that, actually.
Okay, notebook.
Keep. That fills a book of pages in it.
This Magnadoodle thing.
Get rid of. We already have one. Don't make stuff ones.
Alphabet book.
Get rid of.
Get rid of, get rid of.
Yeah, get rid of. Get rid of.
Doc McStuffins thing.
Get rid of. Keep pen.
Yeah.
Yes. Keep.
Oh, the
Get
black
rid of.
papers.
Yeah, keep. Keep.
Scratch papers. Science kit.
Keep.
Oh.
This was my try on a paper airplane.
Okay.
I just need to fold it.
Keep it.
That's right. Terrible. Well, actually, I learned my throw. This is what I have.
What is this? Oh, this is. Good job.
Keep.
Is this like a painting?
Oh,
thing?
no.
Do we need to keep it?
Oh, no, that went to my desk.
Oh, do we need to keep it?
Get rid of it. Oh, wait. Keep. Maybe we could
It's
use
really
it for
good if you're doing a project inside. Instead
Yeah,
of
like
putting
my
down
science.
newspaper, you can use that.
Yeah, like for my sign, if we do a volcano.
What about this water pad?
Yeah, no.
Get rid of it?
Yeah.
Okay, well this and this we could bring to the
Resale.
resale shop.
And keep this.
Okay.
Woo!
Okay,
Because I like my shoe now.
so the next thing that I want to mess with those. That has coloring books, and the thing behind there is a portfolio for all of your art projects, so we'll go through that.
Yeah, but keep the bag. That's
Okay, so keep this.
Yeah, we just have to erase that.
Okay, let's go through this one. This is a big one. Christmas coloring.
Maybe put it with the Christmas stuff.
Okay.
Put that with the Christmas stuff.
Okay. Painting.
There's not many pages left. Get rid of.
So we'll recycle this.
Yeah.
This away. This is trash, right?
Oh,
And these
here's
two are
yours.
trash.
This went to that Christmas coloring book.
Well, we'll recycle. If they're loose papers, we're gonna either keep or recycle.
Recycle. That went to my coloring, like my paint book, but
Okay.
I don't want it anymore. Oh, look, what is this?
Oh, that looks like it was a card.
Hooray.
Hooray!
Hooray.
Hooray!
Yeah, it was a card. I wanted to keep it because it like looked so cool, but we can get rid of it now.
Okay.
Keep.
All right. Keep this one.
Keep.
Keep this one.
And
Recycle.
that was good. I don't really
Recycle.
keep.
Keep that one.
Keep this. I'm not even close to being done with this.
Okay.
So keep.
Do you want to do this one, or is it almost used up?
Unicorn.
You never know what you might find. Whenever you're cleaning anything out or tidying up, it always feels like it has to get a little bit worse before it gets so much better. So let's get it put back into place. Okay, so let me get your projects that you want to save, and this you want to save too. These are
Yeah.
projects.
We can't keep. We can't
Well, we'll
keep
keep
this
that
in.
out. Yeah, we'll keep it to where it's not flat.
We got Cinderella. Get rid of.
Recycle?
Yes, she looks creepy. Here's the folder.
Oh my gosh, I bet this is all stickers. Well, it says some stickers and then it has these. We need to go through this too.
Pictures.
Let's page through this real quick.
Okay.
Okay, we'll put all of your papers that you can color on in here with the stickers. You want to grab the stickers too, and we'll put the stickers in the other side of. Do you want to go through these stickers and see if you want to keep all of them? That's a tattoo.
Get rid of tattoos. Tattoos just don't work for me.
Here's a lot of tiny. Here's some
Keep
tattoos.
all of the stickers and get rid of all of the tattoos.
Okay.
So there's Charlie Brown Halloween.
So I'm gonna write stickers. blank paper?
No, paper.
Just paper.
And we got just some Halloween.
Stickers and paper.
We got, we got Monster Sync.
My kids somehow have collected so many colored pencils, and I thought that this coffee container would be a good solution, but it actually ended up being a little bit too big, so you'll see in the final reveal that I just ended up using a cute little Tupperware bowl that my daughter had gotten for Christmas. Getting everything put back together the way it's going to be is so nice, and really the most satisfying part, the before and after. You can see that just a tiny bit of tidying can really make a nice, good impact. Thanks again for being here and watching. Welcome to those of you who have found me through this series and through the Tiny Tidy team. Be sure and take a click around and see what else I have to offer. Thank you again to Sunday Dawn for including me in this collab. I will link her channel down below, as well as the playlist for all of the videos in this series. If you've stuck around and you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss another one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.